Hello everybody, welcome back to Afaq E Academy. I'm Mohammad Afaq. First of all, वीडियो लास्ट तक देखना, लाइक भी करना, शेयर भी करना और अगर कोई डाउट या सुझाव हो तो वीडियोस को कमेंट भी करना. As you have seen in this, as you have seen in thumbnail, I am going to continue the chapter linear equations with two variables, and the topic is solution of linear equations with two variables. In the previous two videos we have done examples from NCERT and NC and RD Sharma from class 9th standard. And in this video I am going to solve some few examples of NCERT exercise 4.2 and 3 question and some part of the second question, and we have taken one question number 1 and third all parts, but only second part of the question number 2. So let's start solving. Question number 1 is, which of the following options is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 1. First, a unique solution. Second, only two solutions. Third, infinite many solutions. We have to find out which option of the among the three, which option among the three is the correct. For this, we solve linear equation in two variables. We can write the equation 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. As we have already studied the concept of the solution of linear equation in two variables very well, so what we get infinite many solutions of linear equation in two variables. Infinite solutions of linear equation in two variables. Okay, we come to the point. Sorry for the delay of the class. Where we were at the solution. We had seen that in the concept linear equation had only unique solution, but the linear equation in two variables had infinite many solutions, not only two solutions. How we can take infinite values of x, for which infinite values of real values of x, for which corresponding y we can get infinite y's, and that's why it has infinite many solutions. It is a very simple question from the concept. So third option is correct, infinite many solutions. ठीक है, okay, very easy question. So solution of question number 1, solution of question number 2, and the part is 2. We have to find the rightful solution of following. We have to find out the four solutions of the given equation. What we do? First of all, we write it in two variables. It is in one variable, looking in one variable, but 0 into y plus 9 equal to 0. It is here we see that constant of coefficient of y is 0, so we can take whatever value of y, we will get the value of x equal to minus 9 upon pi, minus 9 divided by pi, for any value of y. So first of all, we take y equal to 0, we will get pi x plus 0 into 0 plus 9 equal to 0, which implies pi x equal plus 9 equal to 0, and from here x equal to we get minus 9 divided by pi, and the y is equal to 0. Similarly, for any value of y, we can take y equal to 1, we will get again the equation by x pi x plus 0 into 1 plus 9. Again we get pi x plus 9 equal to 0. So from here we get x equal to minus 9 divided by pi and y equal to 1. We have to find out 4 solution. Again we take any value of y and the corresponding value of x comes minus 9 by pi. So we can take 0 1. Similarly we can take y equal to minus 1. We will always get corresponding x equal to minus 9 divided by pi. And fourth solution we take let's say y is equal to 2 and corresponding x equal to minus 9 by pi. And in the ordered pair form we can write the solution minus 9 by pi comma 0 and minus 9 by pi comma 1 and minus 9 divided by pi comma minus 1 and minus 9 by pi comma 2 in ordered pairs. Now we do question number 3. All questions are very simple. If we go thoroughly the theory part from the book and examples from the book, exercise becomes very easy. The fourth question was in the exercise finding the value of k. In the previous video from R.D. Sharma I had done many videos on finding many questions on finding the value of constant k or a or there are questions in R.D. Sharma where we have to find out alpha or lambda, whatever we have to simply put the values of the x and y and solving the equation. If we get linear equation, we get one solution. If we get quadratic equation, we get two solutions. That's why I am not taking the question number 4. Now we start to solve question number 3. Check which of the following solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. We have to do what? Put the value of the ordered pairs. There are 5 parts and we have to check if the LHS satisfies the RH ordered pair satisfies the given equation. Which of the following pair putting the values, which of the following pair satisfies the equation? For that we have to put the value of the ordered pair in the LHS, and if we get RHS then the ordered pair is the solution of the equation. If we don't get the RHS then the ordered pair is not the solution of the equation. सही है? Now we solve. First of all we take 0, 2, we put 0 minus 2 into 2. We have put x equal to 0 in the equation, 2 equal to 0, y equal to 2 in the equation. We get LHS. What we get? 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4 is not equal to 4. That's why this is not the solution. Second, 2 comma 0. What we get? 2 minus 2 into 0. LHS equal to 2 minus 0 equal to 2 is not equal to 4. This is also not the solution. Question number part number 3. What we do? We put the value of x equal to 4 minus 2 into y is equal to 0 LHS. What we get? 4 minus 0 equal to 4, which is equal to RHS, and this satisfies the given equation, and 4 comma 0 is the solution of the given equation. Part 4, let's do what we do. Put the value of LHS. In the LHS we put the value of x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2. Here from here we get root 2 common and we get 1 minus 8, which is if I have written the question right, I have written the order right. Once I change again root 2 over 4 root 2 x minus 2y equal to 4. There is no mistake in our question. Then it becomes minus 7 root 2, which is never equal to 4. So this is also not the solution. Only this one solution we have got. We have found out of 4. Now we do fifth part. What we do, we put the value of x and y in the LHS. What we get, 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1 is not equal to 4. So this is also is not the solution. Only one solution, part number 3. So these are very simple questions. If we go thoroughly through the concept, theory and examples before doing the exercise, questions become very simple, very easy. So वीडियो यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, एंड गुड बाय एंड कीप स्टडिंग.